combine. Luno.
여러분들 오늘 배울 게 여기 다 있네요.
So this is system we are going to study.
여기 고압 펌프,
So high pressure pump
그다음에 여기 인젝터,
and injector,
커먼 네일.
Common rail.
common name,
주로 인젝터 커먼 네일,
injector,
고압
common
펌프.
name, and high pressure pump.
이 세 가지가
That's
여러분들이
three things.
이번 공부할 핵심 테마입니다.
Today study.
Injector, common rail, high pressure pump, most important.
Yeah, three. We are the study three things.
Thank you.
이 밸브 바디,
So bell body of the automatic 변속기로 뭐라고 그러나?
트랜스미션,
Auto transmission.
디스플레이, 디서세블리.
Disassemble of auto transmission system. Circuit. Torque converter.
이거는 학생들이 만들어서 전시했어요.
So this is made by the student here. You cannot see this kind of the electric flow. So we made this, and you can see how to the electricity flow in the car.
Yes.
하이브리드 배터리입니다.
This is
High voltage battery.
This is a hybrid battery. This is the high pressure junction
Yes.
block, and this is an onboard the charger.
Charger.
저쪽에 감속기입니다.
And also the 감속기 reducer라고 그럽니까?
리듀스.
And also reducer.
Reducer.
Yeah.
High voltage battery.
그래서 보통 한 클래스가 30명입니다.
One class is the student 30 student.
그래서
30 student.
30명이 동시에 실습을 할 수가 없어요.
So all 30 student practice together.
그래서 30명을 조를 나눕니다.
So we make a group.
6명씩 5그룹.
So each group is six students.
Student.
그래서 로테이션으로
And
실습을 시켜요.
rotation they call practice here.
직업 교육은
So job education.
이론보다는 실무가 중요합니다.
So more important the practical is more important than theory.
실제 할 수 있어야 됩니다.
So really they can do that in practice.
Yeah. I have a question, sir.
So we targeting the one class 20 people, 20 students.
You change the program to 10 students,
Student, 30 students, now the 20 students.
20 students.
Education is 4 hours, about the longest one is 1 week.
업그레이드.
The upgrade the courses.
자, 그다음에 이쪽에는
This,
어라이먼트를
this is alignment.
Yes. Caster camber, 2 in, 2 out.
Devices,
브레이크 테스터,
brake tester,
Brake tester.
헤드라이트 테스터,
headlight tester,
Headlight tester.
스피드 속도계,
the speed,
that one is
speed
Yes,
tester,
Yeah.
catalyst, the injector.
This one. Air condition.
With the